Welcome to part one of the three-part course introduction. I'm also going to cover the course's learning objectives. Because you're here, you must have mastered getting logged into PlayPosit. A number of the videos in this course use PlayPosit, so I can try to keep you interested by asking you questions during the videos, but more on that in the second intro video. When we talk about business expenses, we simply cannot ignore taxes.
We want to give you, the American people, a giant tax cut for Christmas.
Corporate taxes in the U.S. are 21% for any decent-sized business. That means 21% of your business profits are being shared with someone besides the owners.
We think $4 trillion will come flowing back into the country. That's money that's overseas, that's stuck there for years and years.
As a result, you need to be familiar with some of the fundamentals of taxation in the U.S. We're going to examine business taxes in detail and a little bit of individual taxes with a large focus on income taxes. We'll take a look at why we may have ended up with the crazy complex Internal Revenue Code, and we'll look at the fundamental types of tax planning you can use. We'll even take a stab at completing a few forms. Okay, how do we translate what we hope to accomplish in this course into a simple, easy-to-read list? Why, it's the course learning objectives. Go ahead and take a look at your syllabus and you'll see what we hope to accomplish with this course. At the end of this course, you should be able to comprehend the rationale for tax laws by differentiating the types of tax bases and weighing the multiple objectives tax policymakers consider when they're developing new tax law. You should be able to apply your analytical reasoning tools to assess how taxes affect economic decisions for business-related tax-paying entities through either the amount and timing of income recognition and deductions, related to property transactions that generate recognized, deferred, or no taxable gains and losses, or related to the organizational form decisions that you might make. You should be able to develop a fundamental understanding of the components of taxable income, determination across taxable entities, so that you will build a foundation for effectively learning future tax laws, since they never seem to stay the same very long. We ought to be able to draw supportable conclusions regarding tax issues by using your research skills. That includes accessing and interpreting sources of authoritative support so that you can identify and evaluate tax planning opportunities. And lastly, you have to be able to communicate your tax conclusions in a clear and concise manner to any of your relevant stakeholders. The assessments, such as homework and exams, are designed to test your knowledge on these items, and thus it makes sense to bear them in mind throughout the course. As if that was not enough, each module also comes with a set of learning objectives that are going to be tied into these objectives. Thus, for each module of the course, you can set expectations as to what is going to be expected of you. You can expect the differing forms of assessment, for example, Learn Smart, homework, exams, any other assignments, to address these learning objectives as, after all, these are the focal points of the course. The course follows a predictable pattern. First, consume the reading and do the Learn Smart. Then watch the videos. Then practice and apply using the homework. And then lastly, assess your learning using the exams. In my mind, it's pretty straightforward. All of this information is available and waiting in Blackboard for this course. Everything you need to know for upcoming reading, assignments, exams, etc., it's all available in the Blackboard account right now. So be sure and review each module carefully so you can be certain you're not going to be missing any upcoming assignments. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to discuss the teaching materials in more depth. Items like your textbook, online homework, and other learning tools. Thanks for watching.